Now you may be happy with the way that your credits look with white text on a black background, or your title looks with your colored text on a black background, but you might be interested in knowing that you can put that over pretty much any image that is available. So one thing you can do is you can go up to Add Media and choose Stock Media, and then go to Images here, and you'll see there's a couple different categories. So because I know my text is white, I'm going to try to choose one of these darker backgrounds. I like this one here, and I'm going to click Add. Oops. And that's going to put it in my media. There it is. Now, I'm going to take my title and I'm going to drag it up to the text 1 track, because this actually works from top to bottom. So if something is on top here, it's also going to literally be on top of it in your video. So now I can drag this down, and instead of having just that plain black background, I have a slightly, almost like a gradient type background, and now when I play, it's going to look a little bit different. Or maybe I want to choose something more colorful, and you can see I already have this blue one here that I've chosen. I'm going to drag that down, and again extend it so it's the same length. So I think that looks really nice. And then I could do the same thing over here for my credits, or I can pick a different picture. Either way, I like this green one. I'm going to drag this down, make it the same length, and put it below the text 1 track, and then you can see that my credits go over top of that. Now I might need to change the color of my font to make that a little bit more easy to read. This is also really useful if you have an image such as this one where it doesn't take up the entire screen. So you've got these black bars on either side, and maybe you want to find something to match that up. So I'm going to drag that up to the text 1 track, and then go back to the media here, and the stock media, and then the images, and then maybe I try to find something that kind of matches that color. So it's kind of like a sandy background there. Click there, and then I'm going to drag this down there. This might actually look pretty good. Could look better, but I think it definitely looks better than it did without the black bars there. So try those out, and remember, as long as you have something on top, in this case the text 1 track, and then something on the video 1 track below that, whatever you see on top, you're going to see.